Are you looking for the best mini compact refrigerators in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mini compact refrigerators that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Edgestar CBR1501SLD Stainless Steel Beverage Cooler. The Edgestar CBR1501SLD mini refrigerator offers plenty of room to store your drinks and food thanks to its 5.49 quart total capacity. It holds up to 142 12-ounces cans, which is a lot compared to any other mini refrigerator on the market. This features makes it perfect for game rooms, bar or kitchen, as you will never run out quickly of cold drinks for your family and friends. It measures 24 inches across, therefore, it can perfectly fit in any limited spaces. The reversible door features a lock that helps you to keep your drinks safe and is user-friendly to right-handed or left-handed people. Additionally, the stainless steel door helps to keep your drinks refreshingly cold by insulating the refrigerator. Last but not least, it boasts extensive features such as built-in carbon filter, glass shelves, auto defrost, digital temperatures controls and a great compressor cooling system with temperature range of 38 to 50 degrees F. At number 4, Chefman Portable Compact Personal Fridge Cools and Heats. Chefman Mini Refrigerator is another great unit that has made it to our list. It comes packed with impactful features that will greatly help you in storing your items. Its compact nature makes a wonderful addition to any personal space, office, dorms, and can be brought along when traveling, on road trips, boating, camping, commuting or tailgating. It features plugs that can be used at home on standard outlets and 12V car chargers when traveling. Additionally, it has a 4-liter total capacity that can cool 6 soda cans and removable shelf that allow you to store small items like milk, fruits, yogurt and much more. Lastly, it 100% free-on-free, eco-friendly and is backed by 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year manufacturer's warranty. At number 3, MYDIA WHS109FW1 Compact Upright Freezers. This one of the quietest mini refrigerator on the market, and therefore it can be used in nurseries, hospital wards or any other place that needs zero noise. Measuring 19.72 inches wide, 26.1 inches long and 33.86 inches tall, it is larger than most mini refrigerators with a capacity of 3.0 cubic feet and yet compact enough to be kept on countertops or beneath office desks. The adjustable thermostat ensures the right temperature is provided for cooling your foods and drinks, and helps on saving energy as well. Additionally, it comes with exciting extensive features such as adjustable leg, reversible door swing, separate wire shelves and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty in case of any defect. At number 2, MYDIA WHD113FB1 Compact Refrigerator and Freezer. This MYDIA 3.1 cu. Fort mini refrigerator boasts several interesting features such as refrigerator and freezer subdivisions and much more. The 3.1 cubic feet capacity offers enough storage for food and drinks in an eco-friendly manner. Furthermore, this refrigerator features a temperature control panel that monitors how electricity is used. Consequently, you get low electrical costs. Its compact design makes it suitable for various places like offices, bars, dorms and much more. The door swing can be easily reversed to match any space or room layout. The shelving system and lighting allows you to organize your items with ease. Moreover, it comes with a separate vegetable or fruit drawer, which is an added advantage. In case you notice any defect within the first year, you can return this unit since it's covered by 1 full year manufacturer's warranty. At number 1, Danby DAR026A1 BDD3 Designer Compact Refrigerator. The Danby Mini Refrigerator features 26 cubic feet room that is enough space for keeping you drinks cold. Thanks to its low height, you can place it on the countertop or on the floor and doesn't take too much space. This compact design makes it a wonderful touch-up for any room or office space. In addition, it is eco-friendly and does not use too much electricity. With this fridge, storing tall bottle beverages is hassle-free because of adequate space. The exterior is scratch-resistant and you can freely store accessories on top of it with no worries. Additionally, this mini fridge defrosts itself automatically. It offers 2.5 sturdy wire shelves that provide optimal storage options. Last but not least, this unit is accompanied by 18 months warranty for parts and labor. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.